Hi everybody, here's David for another math video. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the factoring of the greatest common factor. Of the greatest common factor. And we're going to call that GCF. Let's start with a binomial. Let's say I have something like 36 x squared y z plus 18 x y squared. The trick to get used to do the factoring of the greatest common factor and find it is to deconstruct each terms. So let's say I deconstruct this. I know 36 is 6 times 6. X squared is x times x, and y and z. We're already there. Let's do the same thing with 18x y squared. So 18, what is 18? It can be 2 times 9. X, y times y. I still can deconstruct this and this. So let's do it. 6 is 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 once again, because I have another 6 times x times y times z plus 2 times 3 times 3 times x times y times y. Your teacher in class might not have taught you this way because it's longer, but it's easier to see what's in common between the two terms. So let's see what I have in common. I have a first 2, and then I have 2 3's. So I have those 2, 3 right here. If we look at the variables, we have a x right here. We have an x right here, and I have 1 y and 1 y. So everything I just marked with my marker is what I have in common. So that 2 times 3 times 3 times x times y is my greatest factor. And what remains will be the thing in the bracket. So I have 2 times x times z will be the first term. And in the second one, we will have only plus y. So 2 times x times z plus y. So here I just did the factoring of the greatest common factor by putting it in front of the brackets. And we can regroup those numbers. So 2 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. So 18xy times 2xz plus y will be the factoring of the greatest common factor right here in a binomial. Thanks everybody. That was how we do the factoring of the greatest common factor. Great blah 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 GCF. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to go in the comments and ask for them. And till next time.